Akiflow review. Does it actually increase productivity? So let's talk about the good productivity boosters of Akiflow. So it offers unified workflow and time blocking. It shines at aggregating tasks from Gmail, Slack, Asana, Todoist, Notion, and more into a centralized dashboard. It also has a drag and drop time blocking interface, like playing Tetris with your calendar. It also offers speed and keyboard first designs, which means it has a command bar and keyboard shortcuts. It also enables rapid task creations and editing, ideal for power users. It also is tangible for productivity gains, which means there are some time saved ranging from 15 to 30 minutes daily, and they have a lot of user praises from focuses and clarity. The downside of it though is it has limited project management. There are no subtasks to consider. They also have a mobile experience which is not on par with desktop. The pricing also has a barrier for some people because there are either simple free or low cost tools that you can use, and the customer support are very inconsistent with their widely experiences. But overall, is it good or bad? So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it has reduced context switching and frees up mental bandwidth. It speeds up daily tasks flying via keyboard first workflows. But for the cons, it's not as robust for complex project planning and no subtask or customizable UI. So overall, if you're looking for a sleek, fast, focused tool to manage daily tasks and time blocks, Akiflow consistently delivers. But if you need advanced project management features like expecting a polished mobile companion or want a budget-friendly option, Akiflow may not be the best fit.